To import Paddle subscription management, start by understanding the basics of Paddle and its subscription model. Paddle is a platform that provides a suite of tools for managing subscriptions, including payment processing, analytics, and customer management. First, create a Paddle account and set up your subscription plans. This includes defining the pricing, billing cycles, and any discounts or trials you want to offer. Once your plans are set up, you can generate an API key, which will be used to connect Paddle to your application. Next, choose the programming language and framework you will use to integrate Paddle into your application. Paddle provides libraries and documentation for popular languages such as Python, Ruby, and JavaScript. Follow the documentation to install the Paddle library and import it into your project. After importing the library, use the API key to authenticate with the Paddle API. This will allow you to access Paddle's subscription management features, such as creating and managing subscriptions, handling payments, and updating customer information. To create a new subscription, use the Paddle API to generate a checkout URL, which will redirect the customer to a secure payment page. Once the customer completes the payment, Paddle will notify your application and update the subscription status. Best practices for importing Paddle subscription management include handling errors and exceptions, implementing webhooks to receive notifications, and testing your integration thoroughly to ensure it works as expected. Additionally, make sure to comply with Paddle's terms of service and any relevant regulations, such as GDPR and PCI DSS. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully import Paddle subscription management into your application and start managing subscriptions efficiently. This will allow you to focus on growing your business and providing a better experience for your customers.